Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the probability using binomial distribution. So a binomial experiment is one that has the following properties. The experiment contains n identical trials and each trial has only two outcomes. One is success, the other one is the failure. And the probability of success on each trial is equal to p and remains the same from trial to trial. And this is the binomial distribution formula, that is p of x equal to n factorial divided by n minus x factorial into x factorial p power x into q power n minus x. Here n is the number of trials and x is the number of success desired and p is the probability of success and q is the probability of failure. So p plus q equal to 1 because the probability of success plus probability of failure equal to 1. So q equal to 1 minus p. In some books, they are following instead of q, they are using 1 minus p. Now let's see a problem. So in testing a new drug, researchers found that 10% of all patients using it will have a mild side effect. A random sample of 12 patients using the drug is selected. Here, the trial, it is a 12 patient. So n equal to 12 and 10% of all patients using it will have a mild side effect. That means 90% of patient does not have a mild side effect. So it is only whether they're having the mild side effect or not. So only two success and the failure. So P equal to 10% which is equal to 0.1 and Q equal to 1 minus P which is equal to 1 minus 0.1 which is equal to 0.9. So these are the details we get from this questions, and now we need to find the probability that exactly two patients will have this mild side effect. So P of x equal to 2 we need to find. So by applying the formula, that is n factorial divided by x factorial n minus x factorial p power x 1 minus p the whole power n minus x factorial. This is the formula. Now we are going to put n equal to 12 factorial divided by x is 2 factorial, 12 minus 2 factorial, p is 0.1, the whole power x is 2 and 1 minus p is 0.9. So 0.9 the whole power 12 minus 2. So by simplifying 12 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 10 factorial, 0.1 the whole square and 0.9 the whole power 10. Now the 12 factorial can be right from 1 to 12 and 2 factorial is 1 times 2 and 10 factorial is 1 times 2 times so on up to 10. So this 12 factorial, it is like 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9 times 10 times 11 times 12 divided by 1 times 2 and 10 is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9 times 10 times into 0.1 the whole square, 0.9 the whole power 10. So now 1 to 10 get cancelled because they are in common in numerator and denominator, and 12 can we are left with 11 times 12 divided by 1 times 2 into 0.1 the whole square, 0.9 the whole power 10. So here we can cancel it. We get 66 into 0.1 the whole square, 0.9 the whole power 10. So P of x equal to 2 equal to, so now we simplify it, we get 0.2301. So this is the probability for x equal to 2 equal to 0.2301. Now let's see the part B. The part B is at least 2. So that means P of x greater than or 2. So find the probability that at least 2 patients will have this side effect. So P of x equal to greater than 2, that means we need to find P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3 plus so on up to P of x equal to 12. So just now we found P of x equal to 2. Similarly, we need to find P of x equal to 3 and so on. But it will take more time. Instead, we know that P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2 plus so on up to P of x equal to 12 equal to 1. So this term is P of x greater than or equal to 2. So it remains the same, P of x plus 1, P of x equal to 1, which is equal to 1. So we need to find this part. We need to find this part. So let me keep this part on the left side. So P of x greater than or equal to 2 equal to 1 minus P of x equal to 0 minus P of x equal to 1. So now we have to apply the formula for P of x equal to 0 is (12 factorial divided by 0 factorial into 12 minus 0 factorial into 0.1 the whole power 0 into 0.9 the whole power 12 minus 12 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 12 minus 1 factorial 0.1 the whole power 1 into 0.9 the whole power 12 minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus, if we simplify this part, we will get 0.2824 minus 0.3766. So P of x greater than or equal to 2 equal to 0.341. So this is the answer for part B. Now We can get the answer from using binomial table. Please see this one. This is the binomial table. So in this table, this is the n value. So n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5, n equal to 6, and n equal to 7. And this is the x values, the probability. So here n equal to 12. So we have to choose. So here n equal to 12. This is n equal to 12 and x equal to 0.1. Okay. So as you see, this is the probability. This is the p value and the x value is inside here. This is the x value. Okay. So we need to look at this is the x value. And if you see this, we found the probability at exactly 2. So p equal to 0.1 and x equal to 2 and n equal to 12, we got 0.2301. This is we got part A. And the part B, we got 1 minus 1 minus and p of x equal to 0. Here the p of x equal to 0 is, this is the value p of x equal to 0, 0.2824, and this is probability for x equal to 1 is 0.3766. So we get, so this is 1 minus 0.2824 minus 0.3766. So this is probability x greater than or equal to 2 equal to 0.341. So we can get either by using the formula or by using the table. Thanks for watching.